pairs check, you're going to have students in 4 groups. They are then, out of that 4 group, going to have a solver and a coach. And these students will flip each other's roles, so it doesn't matter which one goes first. But basically, the job description of the solver is they are going to first solve the problem. So they're going to pick one of these boxes and solve the problem. They're going to talk out loud so their partner, their coach, can hear what they're thinking. They can also ask questions along the way. The coach, though, as the solver is working, they're going to be watching. They're going to be observing what that student's doing. They're also going to listen to their thoughts, and then they can ask questions as well. You could have your students use the comment tool, and they could record by video or by voice their work. That could be a great way to kind of help your students. And some of the things that they might say throughout this process is, as I look over my notes, I can see that I first must do this. And then the coach might say, well, why don't you start by reviewing with your notes if the student hasn't? So there's some sentence starters to help students with this kind of process as they're getting started. These should become more natural the more you do this strategy in your own classroom. Once you do that, they're going to flip. And so the coach becomes the solver becomes the coach. And you're going to hear think alouds of, I know that blank means da 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 da. This is where I get stuck because da 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 da. And then again, the coach is listening to them. They're going to ask questions throughout. So a great strategy to have metacognition kind of be alive as the students are solving these different problems. They could add a screenshot of their whiteboard or of their work. They could do their work right on Kami